Audie says every trip to Catalina should start out with a trip to Voodoo Penguin. Well, Sydney got started right away getting the boat prepped, and then she drove us over to Catalina. And she just kept the island right in her sights until we finally got there. And then she looked around and kind of liked what she saw, but went down below and said, "Hey, what's we having for lunch?" Well, I don't know what we had for lunch, but we always had peanut butter cups for dessert. Time to go to the beach. That was Kizzy's idea. Well, it was Sid's idea too. Come on, Sid, keep playing. Oh, my sunburn. My sunburn's too bad. Oh, that feels good, staying in the water with my sunburn. Oh, come on, throw some more rocks. No. I'm going to walk down the beach with Boompa's parachute pants on. It makes my sunburn feel better. Let's just go back to the boat and look around and see where we are and relax for a while. Okay, you guys, that's enough sitting around. Time to go for a hike. Oh, Mucka's always making us walk. Every day we gotta... Oh, well, this is kind of cool. Yeah. Cat Harbor. It's the other side of the island. Wow, we walked all the way to the other side of the island. Pretty cool over here. Go straight south, you go to Antarctica. No trip to Catalina would be complete without finding some shells down at our shell beach. Guaranteed, everybody goes home happy. Even Kizzy. Okay, one more romp on the beach before we go back to the boat. Kizzy never gets enough. Hey Boompa, what's in that cave over there? Well, I don't know, Sid. I've been coming here since I was your age, and I've never been in there. Maybe it's time to figure it out. Let's get our paddle boards. It's kind of just the right tide. We'll go over there and... it's kind of dark in here and wet. And it's a little bit creepy in here, too. Surprisingly wet. Oh, I wonder how deep it goes. So I think maybe there's the end. Okay, time to go. Time to go. Oh, back on the paddleboard. That's the best. Okay, enough paddleboarding. Let's go to the beach. Okay, enough beach. Oh, time for lunch. That's always good. Okay. Oh, rowing lesson. Okay, Boompa. Hey, how come one oar is longer than the other one? Oh, hey, I can get it. I can do this. Look, I can row. Hey, it must go in the family. Okay, now let's learn how to do the outboard. Okay, what? You have to go the opposite way as you want to make the boat go? Okay, I can do that. Oh, it runs in the family. Okay, practical application. Happy hour. Back on the paddleboard. Isn't it funny? There's a dog park on top of Sid's room. Time to wash our hairs before it's time to go back. Oh, here we go. Time to go back. There might be some sea doggies out there. Some people call them dolphins. Are there? Oh, there's some sea doggies. there goes the ferry, but they didn't see the 5 whales we did. Hey, let's take a cruise through Naples. This is where all the people have their boats and docks in front of their house. Well, it's just a relaxing way to finish up our trip to Catalina. Here's our last time back on the boat from the dinghy. Ah, that was great.